very effective way to actually take care of something that we should be doing regularly.
Yep.
Ear cleaning.
Yep.
And we're not going to talk to you about those things that you buy at the drugstore that you stick in your ear that,
Ouch.
by the way, tell you on the package, don't stick this in your ear. We're bringing it to you from Griffin. Now, this has been very popular since we launched it here at QVC. It's a water-powered ear cleaner. This is how it works. Emily Scott's here with me. Talk to us about this and how this works.
This is a gentle, easy way. You're using pure, clean tap water, no chemicals, no medication, to gently, over time, loosen that excess earwax and remove it from your ear canal.
And by the way, it's not like you have to be in the shower or stand over the sink. Now, you can do it anywhere that you'd like, but you could be fully clothed. It has a dirty reservoir and a clean reservoir.
Yep, exactly. So it really comes with everything, and it's rechargeable. Look at how you're all cord-free, not tethered down.
Oh, wow. Well, listen, today we have it for you at a sale price, $68.98. We also have it for you on Easy Pay. You can see that on your screen, of just $13.80 with free shipping. Everybody will get it home with all of the extra ear nozzles as well.
Yep, you get 6 nozzles. Each one lasts a lifetime. We just give you 6 so you can share with your family.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's great.
Which is really nice. Yep.
$99 is what this would cost at their own website. Here, we have it for you at a better price. Now, V84831 is your item number. Let's talk to everyone about, let's take a tour and show everyone what this looks like.
Absolutely. So when you get it home, it's going to look like this. You're going to charge it up, and it takes about 3 hours to charge, and you have about 2.5 hours of runtime. So I'm going to put the cup on, and the ear cup is really for the splashing. There is not going to be, this is not a fire hose. There's not going to be water everywhere, just to protect you if you want to do it dressed. Now, in here is a post. You're going to take one of those soft silicone, safe to use in your ear nozzles, and you're going to put it on. There's 3 different heights. There's what I call tall, medium, and short. So you put it on like that. Definitely start on short. Conservative is the way to start.
Yeah, push it down as far as it goes, because I put it in my ear and I was like, ooh, it tickles.
It wasn't all the way.
Yeah,
exactly. So it's something to get used to for sure. Now, on the back of the unit, this is where you pick your intensity right here. There's a gentle, and gentle. It's a low, medium, high, but they are all really gentle. So you want to pick that first. You start on the easiest one first. Here, by the way, is where you charge it. Now here, down here, is the clean water canal. You want to do this with warm water.
Yes.
It's just more comfortable if you do that. Here's where you turn it on. So what you want to do is simply place the cup over your ear, like this.
Almost like earmuffs.
Exactly like earmuffs. And the cup is going to hold that water in, and that's when you turn it on. It is going to use pure, clean tap water to irrigate your ears, kind of like what doctors do in the ENT offices, the irrigation. Over time, this is going to clean your ear canal, soften that excess wax, and remove it. Where's it going to go? It's going to go in the dirty water tank, which is right here. Now, here's what's important. This is a gentle, over time personal care process. So you are not going to see big boulders and things like that in the water. Do you know what I mean? It's going to kind of look clean in the water, just like when you floss your teeth. Like sometimes there's food in there, but you still floss all your teeth to keep them clean.
So here's the thing. We use water flossers now, right?
Yep.
We use smartphones. We know that technology is actually a really great thing that makes things easier for us. I remember back in the day, like when my grandmother would have to use like a candlestick to kind of clean your ear.
Yep, exactly.
And that's like a really old-fashioned, by the way, very cumbersome thing to do. This is just it's like an ear rinser at the same time, but that regular rinsing and cleaning actually takes out all of that excess wax. And you know what you're not doing? You're not doing the #1 thing that every doctor tells you to do, not to do. You're not sticking something in your ear and moving it around and puncturing your eardrum.
Yes, you know, you can really impact wax when you do that, but that was really kind of largely, here we're showing you how to clean the tank. Super simple, hand soap will do it. But ear doctors don't want you to do that. You know, ear doctors do a professional irrigation in their office. My daughter has had it done, right?
Yeah.
But this is a way to do it gently at home. It's customizable. It is proven, actually independent lab tested and proven to be effective.
All right, so listen, I'm going to ask you the question that I think a lot of people are probably at home thinking. Like, how do I know that I need this?
Everybody needs it. Okay, so everybody has earwax, but if you put anything in your ear, like a hearing aid or earbuds, especially you're going to use that. That's why they have cleaners in the, you know, with the kits.
I mean, you know, not to be gross, right, or too much information, but like if you have earbuds in your ear for, you know, a couple of hours a day, maybe an hour, 2 hours, maybe you're on a plane, when you get off and when you, the plane, and when you remove those earbuds, you feel like they're gunky and waxy.
Exactly.
Or at least I have.
It's almost like you're also protecting those investments in those devices as well, because you don't have the wax. But in addition, when you turn around 50 or so, the glands in your ears change and your wax gets harder, drier, and harder to remove.
Oh, yes. I actually had a doctor once with my brother, like have to scrape out.
My daughter has that done. My daughter just has super waxy ears, so I've been aware of ear cleaning and irrigation at an ENT for years, but never has there been a device that you can recharge, right? So you're cord free, you can do it in the shower, you can do it fully clothed, but it is gentle, it's effective.
And it's like comfortable at the same time, right? $13.80, free shipping gets it home. The 84831 is your item number. Now is your chance to try it out for yourself. You know, one size fits everybody in this case.
It does,
right? And you know, if you're finding that, you know, you're fitting this over your ear, you'll feel that it's a nice seal.
It really is.
It's a nice like experience, because this is like, is this like a rubberized gasket on the outside here?
Exactly. I love that we catch the dirty water, but that's for any excess spraying, because it does spray in 360 degrees, because your ear canal is round, right? So it's spraying all areas of it, and it'll clean debris out of there.
And the water's not going to get stuck in my ear,
No, it doesn't. And if you feel that it does, you can always give like a little tug to your, you know, your earlobe, and that'll be fine. But no, it doesn't. I've been using it for a little while. It works. It's comfortable. And you know what? The cotton swabs, if the manufacturer puts a warning on the box, don't stick it in your ear, like that's a pretty serious warning. I
mean, yeah, for real. Today, we're telling you, put this in your ear, put this one in your ear, and clean it with the water. Just tap water, $13.80, V84831. That's your item number. Emily Scott,
always a pleasure.
Always, you took the words from my mouth.
Always a pleasure. Thank you so much.
So listen, that is your Griffin water-powered ear cleaner. Hey, but what about the teeth? Huh? What about the teeth? What do we got for the teeth today, Ames?